In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix network and internet connection problems on Windows 11 using several built-in troubleshooting methods. First, open the Settings app. To do this, right-click the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, click Network and Internet from the left-hand menu. On the right side, scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down again and click Network Reset. Then select Reset Now and confirm the action. Windows will reset all network adapters and restore the default network configuration. After the reset is complete, close the Settings window. Next, click the search icon on the taskbar, type Device Manager, and open it. In Device Manager, expand the Network Adapters section. Right-click your network adapter and choose Properties. Open the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers so Windows can look for and install the latest available driver. You can also click Update Driver again and choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose the appropriate driver and click Next to complete the installation. Once finished, close all open windows. Now, open Settings again and navigate to Network and Internet. Click Proxy and make sure any unnecessary proxy settings are turned off. The next step is to reset important network components using Command Prompt with administrative privileges. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Click Run New Task, then select Browse. Navigate to This PC greater than local disk C, Windows System 32, locate cmd.exe, select it, and click Open. Check Create this task with administrative privileges, then click OK. In the Command Prompt window, run the following commands one at a time, pressing Enter after each command. netsh dip reset C, resetlog.txt, netsh winsock reset, ipconfig /flushdns. These commands reset the TCP/IP stack, repair Winsock settings, and clear the DNS cache, which can resolve many common network issues. After the commands have completed successfully, type Exit and press Enter to close Command Prompt. Finally, restart your computer to apply all changes. After the restart, your network settings will be refreshed, and in most cases, the connectivity issue should be resolved. That's it. Your Windows 11 network connection should now be working properly. If the issue persists, you may need to check your router ISP connection or perform additional troubleshooting.